Welcome to the in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Just to unmute ringtone on your device, you should swipe this swipe up to the right side with the off finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that in the volume button control you got selected the ringtone volume, and then just by press your up volume button you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also you can do this by the third way. Just press your up or down volume button and slide this swipe up to the up with your finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.